Welcome. If you want to use auto rotation screen in your OPPO A53 2020, at the first you have to open notification bar, and after that click on the auto rotate icon. When it's activated, we can grab our phone, move it on the left or the right side, and as you can see, the screen is going to rotate automatically. We can also make it like that. And if you want to turn off this mode, you have to open notification bar, then click here, and as you can see, right now it will stay in this portrait mode even when we move it on the left or the right side. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!